In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Adobe Express as PDF. By the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose, how to get crisp results for print or small files for sharing, and a few quick checks to avoid surprises. Start by opening your design in Adobe Express and give it a final review. Make sure text is spelled correctly, images are placed where you want them, and the canvas size matches your intended use. If you're printing, larger dimensions and high-quality images will look better. If your project has multiple pages, quickly flip through them to confirm the order. When you're ready, look toward the upper right corner of the workspace and find the Download button. Click it to open the Export panel. From the list of file types, choose PDF. You'll usually see two flavor options: PDF, print, and PDF, small file. Pick PDF, print, for the highest quality and sharper text. This is ideal for professional printing, pitch decks, or anything that needs to look pristine. Choose PDF, small file. If you're emailing the file, posting it online, or want a lighter attachment that opens quickly. If your project has multiple pages, select whether you want to export all pages or just the current page. Exporting all pages combines them into a single, multi-page PDF, which is perfect for brochures, reports, and slide-style graphics. Keep in mind that animated elements or video clips won't animate inside a PDF. They'll export as static visuals. Before you confirm, take a moment to consider background and transparency. PDF exports don't support transparent backgrounds the way PNG does. So if you need a see-through background for a logo, choose PNG instead. For print projects, a solid background is typically best. Click Download and let Adobe Express process the file. Larger or image-heavy projects can take a bit longer. That's normal. When the download completes, open the PDF on your computer to review it at 100% zoom. Check for crisp text, clean edges, and consistent colors. If colors look different on another screen, that's usually due to display differences rather than a problem with the file. For professional print, send the PDF print version to your printer and ask if they have any specific requirements. Finally, name your file clearly and store it somewhere easy to find. If you're on the mobile app, the flow is similar. Tap Download, choose PDF, pick the quality, and save. That's all it takes to reliably save your Adobe Express projects as a polished PDF.